show you how to operate it, show you how to set it up and all those things. Again, just to start from the beginning, put in the batteries. Then it's got a preset code in it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've already reset it, so we're gonna do that. So at this point, you have to hit the button underneath this panel here. It's up under here, and it's the settings button. So you'll push it in a little bit. You can't really see it, but you have to put your finger up under here and feel around, and there's a button sitting down. So you hold it, hear the 2 beeps, then you put in your code, hit it again, and now it went green at the top. You're good to go. I just added a number for simplicity, obviously, for the video, and it opens up. So that's all you have to do. So open it, hit the settings button, you have to push the door in a little bit, reach in here, feel around, you'll feel the little button sticking down. Hold it, and it'll do 2 beeps. Put in your code up to 6 digits, whatever you want. Hit it again. It goes green and beeps, let you know it's good to go. So now, same thing with the fingerprint. So I've already put this one in. So hold it in here for your fingerprint. Push the button. 2 beeps. I'm gonna do my thumb. You wanna move your thumb around so it gets the whole fingerprint. 4 times. 4 times beeps, turns green. Shut it, should be in there. Boom, there it goes. Works great. One thing I will say about BlackSmith, they have a very thorough instruction manual, so don't worry about the instructions. I mean, they're step by step, and you know, it's really, I mean, it's one of the best manuals I've seen in a while. You know, there's usually some steps missed out, left out, things like that. So anyways, rest assured it is thorough. So now the next step will be the app. We're going to show you how to set up the app and go from there. Now for the app. Very, very simple. So I've already set it up, so we're gonna look at, it has a code here. You just take the barcode. You can pause this and read this. You take the barcode, you take your camera, click on that, opens the app. Has an option to go to the App Store, which is what I did. I just want to be safe. You know, you go here, you open it on your phone, then you have to hit the, you have to wake up the box. So open up on your smartphone, you know, you wake it up, you press 1 and then you hit the settings underneath, and it starts to, forgot I changed it. So you hit 1 and then you hit the settings button, and it starts to pair with your device, and your Bluetooth will be on. It automatically picks up, as you can see here on the phone. I'll go ahead and shut it, it'll let you know that it's on. But then it gives you details of how many times it's been open, your battery percentage, all those things. Now, if you want to scoot back a little bit, I'll slide it open. There you go. And that's it's as simple as that. It connects with your phone. It gives you all kinds of status updates on it, how many times it was open, what time it was open, battery life, all those good things. So, but for now, I mean, that is pretty much it. And again, very detailed on this, very detailed on the safe.